What's up everyone? Today we are going to make a generic Drake type beat. I don't need the update now because I'm already the best producer in the world. I will use the only tool that is needed for a generic Drake type beat, which is text to sample. Okay, I think that's a good start. I think every generic Drake type beat should start exactly like that. And now we increase the duration and the context. Great, I really like how that turned out. Now we have 3 seconds of sheer Drakeness. Now this will take quite a while to load, but we are real musicians here. And all that matters is that we put hard work into our craft. So we let the computer work hard to finish my music, which is not my music, but a generic Drake type beat. So it's essentially Drake's music, but made by me. I wonder how many units of currency I get for the resulting beat. I want to get rich. Sitting here in my pro-ass studio, which is definitely not a living room. It is a pro-ass studio making Drake type beats. We want Drake to be proud of us. Drake should come here to my channel and say, I am proud of you. I'm proud of your work. And I want to work together with you on my next album. Only beats by you and text to sample. Okay, I like that it kind of changes the flavor. That makes a lot of sense, and I think a lot of generic Drake type beats are exactly like that. So what makes this little experiment here special is that I'm usually against type beats, and I made a little post about that recently, and a poll. If you partook in the poll, then you know what I'm talking about. And a lot of people in that poll said that they either love type beats or hate them, and there were only a few people who didn't put themselves into one of these extreme categories, and there was no one who was completely neutral about type beats. And I'm also not neutral about type beats. I am pretty opposed to type beats. I think they are just making profit with something that should just be dominated by cultural efforts. Like, you want to make music in order to express yourself and not in order to make money. If you just make music so that it makes a bunch of people say, yeah, that's lit bro, that's fire, then it doesn't use the potential of what music can express. So in this poll, people were divided between type beats, yes or no. And I would say yes, yes, yes to not type beats, because I like to make my music myself. But then this tool suddenly appeared, and I made multiple videos about it because it actually turned out a lot of fun. And now I'm struggling with this idea, because this essentially creates type beats. None of the stuff that comes out of this tool sounds like it is a new genre. Just the fact that it mixes the genres in a crazy way makes it a new genre. It's like a meta genre. It's a genre slapped on top of existing genres. The reason why this feels different than the actual process of coming up with a new genre is this is not as elaborate as what a human would do in order to make a new genre. Mostly reproducing type beats. Now, should I like or dislike this software for that? People who defend type beats often say something like, it doesn't matter what the process is like as long as the resulting music sparks emotion in the listener. The listener doesn't care if you have used any compressor or any other compressor or a sample pack or a self-written melody. And of course that's true. But I still think that the process matters. And if the process was fun, then you can also hear that in the music. Oh no, I exceeded the maximum length of this tool. Then I have my generic Drake type beat done now. Yeah, what wouldn't scream generic Drake type beat rather than this? Okay, so now I'm on a web page here where I can generate generic Drake type vocals, and I drop my Drake type beat here. Invalid file type. It doesn't accept flux. Oh, okay. Then so you are out of credits, okay? Okay, I could spend €10 a month for this, now for just for content. I think I will do that and then I will cancel immediately. But this is a nice reminder to you all to give me your money via PayPal or Patreon, because I really like to make content, and imagine what would happen if I just got a lot of money. Then I could make a lot of crazy stuff, because it wouldn't be something that otherwise would have to be used for food. And that would be pretty cool. Oh, actually rare that an AI tool lets me pay via PayPal. So now I'm finally logged in and I can drop my Drake type beat. I agree with terms that I will not mess with copyright issues, which this AI totally didn't do itself already. So it's totally serious that I have to agree to terms and stuff like that. Advanced settings. Apply a mix of tailored effects to your vocals. Sure, why not? Extracting a cappella. So apparently this AI thinks that my Drake type beat already has an a cappella. It wants to extract it and then it wants to make it a Drake type a cappella. It seems like it doesn't do anything. Oh, something. Oh, cool. I can just download the a cappella and mix it in myself. That's very nice. That opens up the possibility for some non-AI mixing, which I very appreciate. So apparently you cannot just drop a beat and then it will create Drake lyrics, but there are also different types of generating Drake type vocals here. You can input a video URL, but I guess that also includes that the beat has to have vocals already. And there is text-to-speech mode. Of course, there is a website for that as well, and here you can generate Drake-inspired lyrics. Let's say about fake friends. Ain't nothing worse than a fake friend smiling in my face, but they pretend, wasting my time, they gotta go. I'll let them know in the velvet flow. Okay, that sounds kinda generic.
Ain't nothing worse than a fake friend smiling in my face, but they pretend, wasting my time, they gotta go. I'll let them know in the verbal flow. Cutthroat circle, gotta stay away. Can't trust no one, gotta keep them at bay. Fake friends, they won't last. Time to cut the ties and leave them in the past. Used to roll deep with a crew. Never knew who was loyal, who was true. Found out the hard way, they all turned out snakes. I'll burn them in my rhymes, no breaks. Ain't nothing worse than a fake friend.
Okay, that had some flow now.
Fake friend, smiling in my face. Fake friend, smiling in my face, but they pretend, wasting.
This needs to be time stretched somewhat.
They pretend, wasting my time.
They gotta go.
They gotta go.
That's kinda hard to enjoy. It would take a very long time to make this sound good. Let's try something else. Let's try actually recording these lyrics. Accidentally close the tab of the old lyrics. Trust you all, day ones. Now I see clearly. I used to trust y'all, thought you were my day ones. Now I see it clearly, y'all are just some fake ones. Acting like you're loyal, but really you're just fronting, talking shit behind my back. Now you know I'm onto something. I don't need no fake love, I don't need no fake friends. I'm calling you off, this is where it ends. Cut the fake, cut the bullshit. Oh, it was just starting to get fun. Maybe it's even best to just export the vocals so that the AI doesn't have a hard time figuring out how to remove the beat. Can I be Drake? That is the big question that is being answered in this video. It would be cool if this could be run locally, even though it would take longer. I wouldn't have a problem with that. It's just like text to sample. I appreciate that it's there, but I will definitely not use it. What? Try again.
And used to trust y'all, thought you were my day ones. Now I see it clearly, y'all are just some fake ones. Acting like you're loyal, but really you're just fronting, talking shit behind my back. Now you know I'm onto something.
Yeah, I'm no Drake. Okay. It's interesting how much it got the bleed from the beat into the foreground. The AI thought that this was supposed to be the beat, so it turned it up a lot. I wonder if it would have sounded really cool if I had kept the beat in there already.
And used to trust y'all, thought you were my day ones. Now I see it clearly, y'all are just some fake ones. Acting like you're loyal, but really you're just fronting, talking shit behind my back. Now you know I'm onto something. I don't need no fake love, I don't need no fake friends. I'm calling you off, this is where it ends. Cut the fake, cut the bullshit.
So apparently, now I am Drake officially, and now we need the beat to be a little bit wider, and we will do that in the most professional way ever.
And used to trust y'all, thought you were my day ones.
Okay, nice. Now I just need it to begin in a nice way.
I used to trust y'all, thought you were my day ones. Now I see it clearly, y'all are just some fake ones. Acting like you're loyal, but really you're just fronting, talking shit behind my back. Now you know I'm onto something. I don't need no fake love, I don't need no fake friends. I'm cutting you off, this is where it ends. Cut the fake, cut the bullshit.
Perfect. Now I'm officially Drake, and I will make millions of dollars, and you not, because you are not Drake like me. I am Drake.